Hey there, it's your girl Clenham and welcome to my channel. If it's the first time for you, welcome. If you're back, welcome back. Today is all about AKUK roast, aka the best oven grilled chicken you've ever tasted in your life. So without any further ado, let's get it started. All we are going to need is chicken, onion, ginger, garlic cube, parsley and some scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, aniseed, salt, and some olive oil. So this is quite easy, guys. All we have to do is to just blend all these together. So the pepper, the ginger, everything together with the stock cube and the salt. I also added a half cup of water to make blending much more easier. And do not forget the quantities of all the ingredients will be stated below in the description box. So after my mixture is well blended, it's now time to get our hands dirty. So I'm just going to mix everything together. And then I'm going to cover this and let it marinate for at least 2 hours, not less. After 4 hours of marinating, in my case, my chicken is ready to go into the oven. So I've prepared it in my casserole and I'm going to add the residue of the sauce plus some oil, and this is going to go into the oven. "55 minutes to 1 hour later, our chicken is ready. Sometimes the easiest recipes are just the best. This is the best chicken you've ever tasted in your life, or at least one of the best, because it is really juicy and most importantly, it goes with everything. This is my first option. I paired it the first day with this bacon oiled rice, which recipe I have out. It came out last week, so make sure you check it out. And for my second option, which was actually the following day, I just fetched some of the juice released from the chicken and spread it all over it. And as you can see, some of the juice has become the green sauce that you see there. And I married this with a chicken. It was a perfect match. It was like a match made in heaven. So if you love what you saw, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and also to support me. Like and share my videos, also comment below. And hey, I'm on Instagram, so make sure you connect with me there too. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.